Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about 3D Secure and how to activate it for your Mastercard. The first step is to check if your bank supports 3D Secure. This feature, also known as Mastercard SecureCode or EMV 3DS, is provided by your bank or card issuer. You can confirm its availability by visiting your bank's website, check their app, or contacting customer support. Once you have confirmed support, you will need to register your Mastercard for 3D Secure. Some banks automatically enable 3D Secure on your Mastercard. You can check this by attempting to make an online purchase. If a verification window appears, your card is already enrolled. If it's not automatically enabled, you can activate it manually by logging into your bank's online banking portal or mobile app. In some cases, this might also be available through the Mastercard website. From there, you can enable 3D Secure and choose your preferred verification method, such as SMS, email, or another method. After activation, it's a good idea to test the feature by making a small online purchase on a site that supports 3D Secure. You should receive a one-time password OTP via your chosen method. Enter the OTP to complete the transaction and confirm that everything is working correctly. If you need any additional help or have questions, feel free to ask in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.